Hi everyone. First of all, welcome to Monitor and Troubleshoot using Citrix Director in the Citrix environments. My name is Naresh. I am the instructor for this course. If you are someone who is completely new to Citrix, or if you are someone who has basic understanding of Citrix, this course about Citrix Director tool will help you to monitor and troubleshoot the most critical issues in the Citrix environments. By the end of the course, you will be able to solve the most common issues that happen in the Citrix environments with the help of Citrix Director. It could be some video machine going to unregistered state, or it could be some slowness issue that some users are facing, or it could be some issue with application, or it could be some issue with some session. You will be able to solve most of the common issues that happen in the Citrix environments by the end of the course. So if you would love to know this information or watch this information, I really request you to enroll to this course, and I am really looking forward to seeing you in the course. Thank you.